Hello viewers, again welcome back to my YouTube channel. So viewers, as before you shown my crafty channels, crafty ideas for you. So in this video we're going to show you very beautiful and amazing craft ideas and how to grow this, how to sell this, and we are giving tips for you, and these are very interesting and amazing designs. Hope you're doing very well. Keep watching till the end. This video gonna make your craft more improvement in your craftment, and you will see in the end. Watch till the end. Stay blessed. God bless you all. We try to give you the best advice and best ideas for you, and have a very nice and beautiful journey. Watch till the end. Meet my colleague, and he's gonna tell you the tips and ideas in this video. So write your comment in the comments.
Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make a very beautiful and simple Christmas ornament using fleece fabric. The decoration will not only give you home and festival look, but it's also super easy and fun to create. If you love handmade craft, then this project will definitely inspire you. So let's get started. Stay tuned with us. First, let's talk a look at what we need. Fleece fabric in any color you like. Traditional Christmas color like red, green and white work best. A pair of scissors, needle and thread, or a glue. If you use glue gun is better. Ribbon or lace so we can make a loop to hang the ornaments. Some small decorative items like beads, glitter or buttons. With these simple supplies we are ready to begin. Now take the fleece fabric and cut into small round pieces to make a perfect circle. You can use a coin or a small round lid as a guide. Place it on the fabric, draw around it and carefully cut with scissors. This step takes a little time, but the more circles you can cut, the fluffier and more beautiful your ornaments will look. Patience here is the key. Next, let's prepare the base of the ornaments. You can use a small foam ball or shape same or some cotton into a ball. If you don't have either, just fold and roll extra fleece fabric into a round shape. That works perfectly too. This base will be the surface where we attach all our fleece circles. Now comes the fun part, attaching the fleece circles. Take one circle, fold it into a little cone shape and then stitch it onto the base using needle and thread, or simply stick it with the hot glue. Then repeat this procedure again, attaching circle by circle until the whole base is curved. Make sure to place them close together so the ornaments look soft, fluffy and full. And fun that was. With just a little fabric and creativity, you can make your holiday decoration extra special. If you enjoy this DIY, don't forget to hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more craft ideas. And also let me know the comments which craft you would like to see next time. If you share your thoughts and your comments, I will make another video especially for your desire. These are a simple affordable supplies that you might already have at home. Once everything is ready, you can move on the fun part. Continue doing this one piece at a time and cover the entire surface of the ball. Place each ball close together. The best part in that your ornament will be unique. You can make them in different colors, sizes, or even mix in a pattern to match your home's Christmas themes. Make a whole set of theme and you will have a tree to grave with your personal touch. This is also a wonderful idea for gifting. Imagine giving a handmade ornament to a friend or family member. It's thoughtful, personal, and something they will cherish every holiday season. If you find this video helpful, so please must subscribe my channel. I'm waiting for your thoughts, your sharing comments. Your comments give us energy and we make the videos especially for you. You can visit our channel. There is lots of material and video